Hey guys, this is BS Chandel here. Today I'm gonna go to how to design UI in our Blogger app. So open your project now and go to the test. Now define the login UI toolbar for here. So guys, just define it manually. One more point to notice that import wizard v7 toolbar, because this toolbar is working for us and other wizard is not properly work. Now guys, define a M toolbar and wrap that login toolbar from here. Toolbar and find UI ID r.id.login toolbar. Guys, this video is very important for our Blogger app because we want a big button. We create the big button functionality from here. That is why this video is very important for us, because the reason is, if you make any types of mobile applications, so big button is required must. That's why this is a very important video. Share the title for the login XML file user login, because this title is identify the page, and if get support action bar does not equals to null, then get support action bar dot set your home as up enable. True. Now retype this line. Guys, I have spent 3 years to this code. Now just comment on this section why we use the M toolbar. Just it is configure application bar layout, then at this stage for the big button working. That's why we implement the code is here. For back button configuration, it is a good comment, I think. Yeah. Now we import the override method at this stage. Guys, this is a Myblogger app tutorial. It is just like an Facebook. If you feel that this tutorial help you in any ways, you can support us to create more content by donating here. I have put the link in description below. So guys, we use the override on option item selected menu item. Now return type does not require, so just remove it here. Now use the switch statement item dot get item id does not request get item, yes. Now case is android dot r dot id dot home. Yeah, I think it is right, yes. Now use the intent from here. Use intent, back intent, new intent. Now login activity dot this comma lending activity dot class. Now start activity is here. Now finish the login activities and break the switch statements. Now return true. I think it is work. Now copy and paste this code for the registration layout. Registration activity dot java. Just paste this code here. Now copy this method for back button and configuration. Now copy this and paste this here. Yes. Now change the activity name, register activity dot this. Now I think it is work. Now this time we are going to run in our project. Just save it is and run our project. We hope that we couldn't face any types of error, but this is a development. Lots of error are shows. Run on this and on is on the emulator. Guys, today's we are going to design in our UI or a big button working. Now check our logic is work or not. Open new activity is successful. Now big button is available. Click on that. Yeah, it is working like a charm. Now guys, this is the time to design in our UI. Okay. The layout is not beautiful or not working as I accepted. That's why we remove it on some method and create a new one method. Now guys, just change the margin top. I remove that quotes. Now at this time we are just checking on in our app if bugs, let's get a bugs or not. I think at this stage we want, I think, a different layout to do for this, but relative layout is much better than other. That's why we use the relative layout. I have tried to do for this project, and I want to make this project is error free. That's why we are working for here. Guys, a lots of time to spend the UI design. I think this is done. Just wait here. how it's work, or it's working or not work. We hope that this is working without face any types of error or without generate any type of error, but still I am sure for that it is not to face any types of error. Guys, now we are design the UI for here. At this time we are just wait for finish the grader for grader. Now yes, grader is will finish. Now check it. No, we want to change the layout for here because the distance of the field is very large and I don't want this type of difference. That's why we just change the layout right now. So guys, on here we define the ID for a test view. I hope that this is work now. And under the layout below, then choose ID for test and remove just two line. Let's add the margin top. I think it is work. If in case this is not work, so we change our layout, relative layout to others layout. Guys, if you feel that this tutorial help you in any ways, you can support us to create more content by donating here. I have put the PayPal link in description below. So guys, we hope that it is a work. Now I think it is work. So just wait here. We check this. No, it is not properly work. I think. Just remove this two lines. Android parent start. We just try it here. Just remove this one. Yeah, okay. Now I define the linear layout. Here match parent and wrap content. Now copy this, cut this and paste it in here. Yeah. Now set the orientation of linear layout as a vertical. Now look at the design. Yeah, it's work. Okay, it's working now. So guys, I want to this button is right hand side, but still it is not work. It is this button is set on the right hand side because that look is pretty good. So how we do that? I think this is remove and this line also remove. Margin top 15 dp. That's pretty much better. $15 margin right is 15 dp. And also this time it does not work. Guys, if you direct play on this video, so I suggest you watch our previous video for better understanding the Android Blogger app. Now we use margin start. Yeah, it's work, but not which I want, not much better work, so I decided some other way. Mm, now we look at here, not working. Firstly we finish our design part. After this is done, we are going to change the background or decorated on our UI. So which one I use now. Okay, and layout gravity is bottom. Yeah, it's pretty cool way. No, it's not working, but I think this is work on back button. So define it in here, and gravity is right hand side, right. Yes, I think it's pretty much work. Okay, it's working. Now here we change the look for our UI. It's work or not? No, it is not working. Now we just define a margin top, because margin top is better way, I think, because at here it is not working. We want to just below the title text view and text view here, but it's not possible. I think it is not working right now. So Android gravity not working for a text view. Now set the margin top. Yeah, that's cool. It's fine. Now save as the project and run it now. Wait here until the grader is finished now. Guys, this is a Blogger app tutorial series. After finishing this series, we are going to develop a chatting app. So go to the color picker. Color picker, yes. Search on that color picker. Yeah. Now guys, we are going to design in our UI. So it's a pretty cool. Let's copy this color. And open your color XML file under the res folder, value and color.xml. Now define the primary color. Yeah, it's working. Now I want a bar layout color. I think it's pretty much cool. So copy this code and paste it in here. I want some more color for a button background color, text color or something more. Yeah, it's pretty much cool here. This is our UI. So guys, go to add some more color. Define the color name. BTN color. We are just put the manually value of color. Yes, it is pretty cool. Just copy this color code and paste it in here. I want some more color to put in here. Guys, this is Blogger app tutorial 2018. One more color I want it here. Now guys, this is a color picker. Pick the color in a numeric value. Guys, I have spending 3 or 4 years for doing this functionality, you know. So guys, if you feel that this tutorial help you in any ways, you can support us to create more content by donating here. I have put the link in description below. My special color is here. Okay, the color configuration is successfully. Now we want to change the color. Write it in here. Guys, this is a very important video. So guys, if you have any question about this functionality, so feel free to comment on us. We will reply all of the comment. Not sure, but I will try to reply all the comment. Now let's look at here. I want to change the size, you know. Set the family. Guys, we are spending the time for here because the reason is I want a beautiful UI. That's why we are working on this place and spending in our valuable time. So I set the family. Now it's better, I think. One more thing, I want to change the background of already registered on this test view. Yes, okay, it's working. Now set the test color right here. Text color and color is white, so test color. Okay, Yeah, it's a pretty cool, you know. Wow, it's look very beautiful. Now we change it this year. Yeah, guys, it is pretty much better. Now just copy and paste for that. Now large the size for the test. So define the size for test. Now copy this and paste here, comma, enter. Now copy this line and paste it in here. Yeah, it's a pretty much cool. Now create account. Yeah, I like this simple design, you know. Guys, this is a very important video. If you are not subscribed, if you are a new user, so subscribe in our channel and click on the bell to start the notification. Yeah, this is better. Now guys, look at this design. It's pretty cool or not? Hmm? Now check is on our app to run the emulator device. Wait here until the grader is finished now. Guys, this is a blogger app tutorial. If you feel that this tutorial help you in any ways, you can support us to create more content by donating here. I have put the link in description below. And guys, this is the first time I show the live development, how the software companies work now, how the mobile application creating companies work now. So I am teaching you what is the work you have to done in a software development cycle. So guys, the grader is finished now. Now we check our UI, it's working or not. Now click it here. Yes, it's a pretty much cool. And back. Then, oh my god, it's really cool.